Was this golden ticket event fun? Yeah. Okay, let my team in the back know how much you guys adore them and love them, please.
Dude, we just got a fucking contract! And we already have a vendor lined up.
That's insane, dude.
Put a check mark right there. You did a great job, man.
Let's bring Eddie Charger up here. Give him a round of applause. Eddie. You guys are fun. We want to create an amazing space for our community to meet once a month, something like this. Okay? I know it costs you guys money to get here. I appreciate that so much. Flights, hotels, time away from kids' schools, all that kind of stuff. Thank you for the sacrifice. Was it worth it? Did you guys walk away with at least 10, 15 new connections?
Yep. Yes.
Here's what I want to do. Here's the vision for the Golden Ticket event. I wanted to create this competition-style activity that forces the Peters of the world to have these amazing moments. Did you have an amazing moment today?
Yes.
Okay, I want to create more of that. You almost shit your pants, right? You have to have these moments, not just here, but you have to have them in your local area. Okay, so who's going to go home and start a meetup? Even if it's 5 people, 10 people with your local people. Amazing. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Going forward, we're going to do this competition live with the meetup groups of Subto. So what will happen is we'll now start competing nationwide for the next activity. Next month's activity, you guys want to know how cool this activity is? I'll tell you what it is. It's a little bit different than this one. I get a lot of people that ask me, hey, will you show me how to buy a Subto car? And so next month, we're going to look for a Sprinter van for Carly Grundman as a community, and we're going to have a competition to do so. You guys down with that?
Hell yeah.
Okay, we'll show you guys the script. We're going to do, the next time I do this event, we're going to do it live, and we're going to have people running the Zoom room, and your guys' local account. Where's everybody at? Derek, you're Arizona. Edgar, where are you at?
Florida.
Okay, you're in Florida. What market?
Central Florida.
Central Florida, like West Palm?
Yeah, north of West Palm.
Okay, great. So when you guys go home, what we're going to do is we're only going to let the accountability groups, or the meetup groups all over the country, come into this Zoom next month. We're going to do the competition together. So when you guys are meeting together at these meetups, you're not just showing up and hanging out. You have these moments of being able to connect with each other and also run competitions and do some fun stuff together. You guys down with that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it as a community. We just invested a bunch of money into like technology that allows us to do this, so we all feel like we're cohesive and together. Here's the unfortunate thing. Everybody in this room, you are disqualified from coming back to the Golden Ticket event for a year.
A year?
A year. Can't come back.
We're the first.
You're the first. Okay? Don't be sad. Be happy you were the first. So before I leave, I gotta leave. Dom, you and I will go outside. I'll do a live with you. Before I leave, I want to get a group photo of everybody from the first Golden Ticket event. Are you guys down with that? Yeah.